I've been trying to figure out what to cook. It's like morning, but I've already been thinking about what to cook for dinner. It's always a challenge. Like every day you have to figure out what to cook. Today is Tuesday, so it's like Taco Tuesday. Maybe we'll just have tacos. So we'll see. You know, I'm about to get ready right now to go to the gym, get my workouts, because that's a must that I have to
Look at Ariel's new outfit. Look, and your shoes. Show them your Nike shoes. Ooh, ooh, cute. She loves Minnie, huh? So this is her outfit. Oh, she's turning. Turn again. There we go. Alright, so this is my outfit for the gym today. I got it at Forever 21. And yeah, so it's exciting because this is all nude. I wish I had like a black jacket. I don't know why I never bought one. But this is more with some black shoes, so it matches. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Alright, so for lunch, I am just having this, my leftovers from last night, and it's this. Very limited on the rice. Yeah, I'm so hungry, I can't wait to eat right now.
Look at my face.
I'm currently setting up my website, and I just started it, yeah, last night. So it's official. I have a website and I'm trying to fix it up and make it look all pretty before it goes live. So I'm really excited about that.
Hi. So you have karate testing today?
We're gonna go to Walmart really quick and yeah, Walmart. We have to go buy your pants because I haven't done laundry, and I'm not gonna do laundry this week, or I might, but she ran out of pants. She outgrew a lot of her pants, so, and the rest are all in the laundry. You want tacos? So
Gotta buy some more paper plates. Look, they have a bunch of Jameson. It's only $20. Is that a good deal or what? Should I get one or? Alright, so we're gonna do Honey Nut Cheerios.
Tacho. Look at this.
Kicks.
Tacho. Tacho.
Who's that?
Tacho.
Okay.
I love Tacho.
Still got Frosted Flakes. You don't need pink. Do you need pink? No, you're good. Look at these shoes, like slippers. Looks crazy. And they have like this kind too. Some Christmas bags. I think I just need this one. Look at these cute Christmas bags. Look at this. It says Elf Snot.
Hey, Mom.
I don't know about that.
Mom. Oh, by the way, subscribe to LillyandARi on YouTube.
we just got home and I checked my mail. I got some packages in the mail that I'm gonna open up today, right now, so you can see what we got. I've opened this and see. Oh, it's the costume that I ordered online from Amazon. It's finally here. I think this is the one. Where is it? Next. Oh! Lillian!
What?
This is Lillian's gift. One of her gifts for Christmas. And she saw it, so too bad you can't get it until something in here. Oh, these are my eyelashes. So I got my eyelashes and I bought it online. And last, these are the shorts that I bought online. They are super cute. I got them in white. I love these shorts. I have one in blue, and I just decided to buy another one because they're high-waisted, and I love the design that this has. So I'm excited about these ones. I think I have a couple more coming in the mail. And yeah. Hey guys, so we just did some, I still have slime on my fingers. Some ASMR slime for their YouTube channel. So Ariel did one and we are gonna post it up soon. I'll put a link down on the description box where her, oh my gosh, it's on your shirt. Check out the slime though. Look at it. So this is gonna be up on their YouTube channel, but look how cool that is. What happened? Are you allergic to something? And keep an eye on it and see how it looks in the morning, okay?
What's she?
Okay.